As farmers at Delhi border prepare for mega tractor march on Republic Day, thousands of farmers from 21 districts of Maharashtra have reached Mumbai's Azad Maidan to participate in a public rally today in order to register their protests and intensify their agitation against the new farm laws. From Nasik alone, about 15,000 farmers have reached Mumbai. They are also likely to get out the governor's house today. Farmers are going to be in Mumbai till 26th of January and expected to take out a parade in solidarity with the farmers protesting in Delhi. NCP Chief Sharad Pawar is going to be addressing a rally at 1 p.m. Maharashtra Minister Aditya Thackeray is also likely to participate in the rally. The Maharashtra unit of Congress, which is an ally of the Mahaagadi Sarkar, has already extended its support to the farmers' protest.
किसानों का हित में जो कायदा किया है केंद्र सरकार ने, तो किसानों का बहुत बड़ी नुकसान है। किसानों का बहुत बड़ी शोषण होने वाली है। इसलिए हम लोग ने कट्टरता पद्धत बंद करने होना। पहले गवर्नमेंट खरीदी करता था, हामी भाव देता था, ऐसा गवर्नमेंट हामी भाव देने होना।
आप सभी को पता है कि बीते 55 दिनों से किसान आंदोलन देश भर के अंदर शुरू है और उसी किसान आंदोलन को और ज्यादा मजबूत करने के लिए इस आंदोलन में हम लोग आए हैं। और पिछले 56 दिनों से 55 दिनों से जो किसान आंदोलन, जो 3 फार्म बिल, एंटी फार्मर जो भी बिल मोदी सरकार ने लाए है, उसके खिलाफ में हमारा डिमांड है कि ये तीनों फार्म बिल जल्दी से जल्दी वापस लिया जाए और किसानों को आजादी देने वाला एमएसपी का कानून बनाया जाए। ये हमारी डिमांड है और इसलिए हम सब किसान आए हैं।
हमारा एक प्रयास है कि उनको भारी तादाद में हम इकट्ठा हुए यहाँ पे राजभवन में हम 2 दिन यहाँ महापड़ाव करेंगे। उसके जरिए हम उनको बताना चाहते हैं कि महाराष्ट्र के किसान भी पंजाब हरियाणा के किसान के साथ है। और हमने आपको एक बताना भूल गया कि महाराष्ट्र के किसानों ने अभी व्हीकल जब्त किया था पिछले महीने में। करीब 10,000 से ज्यादा किसान सिंगू बॉर्डर जाके आए हैं।
My colleague Kamlesh Sutar is joining us from Azad Maidan in Mumbai, where the protests are taking place. As you can see behind him, scores of farmers are there. Farmers have reached from all over Maharashtra to Azad Maidan. As you can see, Kamlesh is right there. Kamlesh, walk our viewers through what the sentiment is amongst the farmers. They stand in solidarity with the farmers who are protesting in the Delhi borders as well. Looks like the agitation is intensifying even in Maharashtra.
Well, yes, 15,000 farmers have gathered here at the Azad Maidan and this is to show solidarity with the farmers protesting at the Singhu border. Let me just show you across what's happening. Farmers have started gathering here. 11 o'clock is the time for the rally and several organizations including political parties have extended their support, and farmers who have walked in from Nasik yesterday have stayed back here late last night, and as you can see with their traditional music and dances, they have spent the entire night here, and they plan to protest in a similar way till big leaders come in and address to show solidarity with the protest. Primarily the demands are repealing of a Farm Act and withdrawal of the Electricity Act, and also demanding fair prices for the farm produce. These farmers are primarily from areas like Nasik, Ahmednagar and other parts of the state. Most of them coming in from the tribal belts of Nasik. In some time from now, we are expecting NCP Supremo Sharad Pawar, who will be joining the protest to show solidarity. Remember, he is also the former Agriculture Minister of the country, and he has been vocal about against the farm laws. He is likely to join the protest here. Also, we are expecting the Congress leaders. They have officially taken out a statement. City Congress Chief Bhai Jagtap and Charanjit Singh Sapra would be here to address the farmers, and somebody from Shiv Sena. Either it's going to be the Chief Minister who will be sending his message, or as his representative Aditya Thackeray may join the protest here. So it's going to be a big day, and after that they've also sought permission to take out this morcha to the Raj Bhavan, to the governor's house.
Yes, that's right. We'll keep coming back to you for more on this because the farmers' stir clearly is intensifying. Kamlesh, as we can see behind you as well. Kamlesh joining us from Mumbai, getting us all the very latest details on this.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.